Okay, for the bottom part, now I don't even need like half of one, just a piece of like a thin kind of strip. Okay, so it's going to be maybe 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so a little bit of water here. I'm going to trim it over here. And I'm just going to take the scissors. There we go. Okay, and then I'll take this again, and I'll start there where that crease is, and just do same little lines. Okay, and I'll end up painting it like I have the other side here, but we'll do some other things first. Okay, so we need to do something here in the front. So I wanted it to almost be like it was maybe like a train front. Okay, so we're gonna do almost like not quite a teardrop. We're gonna do a cord, actually. I'll show you how to do it this way. Okay, so a cord, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pinch the cord together like this, bring this out and pinch this up. So it's almost like an arrow. And then I'll bring it over, see how big I want it to be. I don't want it to stick out that much. So let me trim it about here and here. Oops, that one's smaller. Now I need to stretch this one a little. Now I'm just going to thin that out there. Bring that right in there. Okay, and then we'll need to do some lines on this. So see how I support it with my finger behind it so I don't press it in too much. Okay, so that's that one. So I'm going to just do a cord. And we'll cut this. Okay, so if I put this here and go up, and then here, okay, there we go. That'll have some gold accents. This is flopped down just a little, so to lift that up. Okay, and let me show you some trim on him, get him finished up. He's gonna have, down the side, as you can see, I've done that side. So it's just gonna be a strip, kind of like it's a metal strip holding them together. Again, he's half machine. So it's just about a 1/2 inch wide. A little water. Come up from the bottom, right up that line, that seam, and cut it here. It doesn't matter what that looks like at the top because you're not going to see that. Okay, and then we need the tip. And we'll do this like so. And then we need to finish off part of this top here.